Welcome. In front of me I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I will show you how you can change video quality of your screen recorder. So at the first you have to simply go for the settings, and right now you have to tap on the additional settings. You can find it right here into the language region and the software update. Click on the screen recording, and then when you find the display section, you can find the video resolution. So when you click on it, you can enter, and here we get the 4 options: high, medium, low, and also custom. So when you enter here, we can manually customize the resolution and the bitrate of the video resolution. I will stay with the highest resolution. I think it's the best way to record the screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.